Okay, well here's the VHF Herald, all done. Hell of a lot of work. I've still got to give the case a little bit of a polish, but to be fair, that's pretty much there now. Dial plates come up really nice, knobs have come up really nice. Aerial, unfortunately the original aerial was absolutely shot, so I've had to stick a new aerial in it. Still a very good aerial, but one of those things, those aerials are not available anywhere. The grille, it's got its original patina still on it. It's still got various signs of age. I've got the worst of it out. There's quite a big brown area down here which I've sort of polished it, but I haven't gone mad on the grille. You can obviously see the padding is still nicely padded. It does make all the difference repadding these. It's very difficult to do, but well worth it. Same with the rear grille. You can see the padding is sat into the padding, if you know what I mean. So let's give it a try. Let's pop the aerial up, pop it on. I've just quickly done a dial alignment this morning because it was slightly out. Interstation muting works, so that will only kick in when there's strong stations now. So put AFC in as well.
Down.
That's Julie Hester in Hartlepool. Well, Scottish Power, her energy supply, was one of 3 suppliers found by Ofgem to have severe weaknesses in the way they deal with customers who are in difficulties with payments. And we talked to them about what Julie told us. And after we spoke to her, this is what they said. We have been working closely with Julia.
And you know, who should be responsible when she's not in charge, inferring that Jeremy Hunt now has the power in government, given that it's spending cuts, it's the reversal of...
The ones I know for sure are Classic FM on 100, which is there.
I'll be there on the lifeboat when it launches. I'll be there because I've left the RNLI a gift in my will. Will you be there too? 6 in 10 launches are only possible thanks to gifts in wills. Large or small, they are the volunteers' protection at sea.
Okay, 97.7 is Radio 1.
Tried to roll him and put his head between.
I'm calling for a general election. One of our MPs in Devon,
So the trust is an independent trust. We were founded in
88.1 is Radio 2. That's Classic FM. That's not, that's Radio 5. Radio 3 even.
We're currently, as I said, funding over 48 of them.
Trust at the helm at the election. But this was his response to calls for an early general election.
There's not going to be a general election. People can talk about it as much as they like, but the mechanisms, right?
World beneath our feet.
Up every morning thinking, what am I going to find today?
Extraordinary.
Yesterday, TV for curious minds. Available on Freeview 27 and also available on UK TV Play.
So there you are, all done. I'd say this area was a bit of a monster, to be fair, but and, in the back, if I can get it unclipped. No, I can't do it one-handed. Hang on, let me just unclip it. So I've just got a couple of Simon's batteries in there at the moment. It's got this massive, great ELAC speaker with the large magnet. This is the most sought-after model. See the amplifier board that's been refurbished, and then in behind this battery we've got the FM IF strip and the FM front end with the tuning cap. And so I had to put new, replace the battery tags. Both of those are broken. I've done a massive amount of work to this. New battery buffers. Yeah, say it's It's a very nice radio, and I'm sure Chris will be very pleased with it. That handle's come up absolutely amazing. I mean, that's that was one of my big worries, but yeah, there we are. Anyway, thanks for watching.